Hello everyone, I'm Kirti Savlani. I will be talking on the topic Role of IoT for the implementation of smart farming. The agenda of my topic is Introduction to IoT, Issues and Expectations, Agricultural Trends, Major Components, IoT Agricultural Network Platform based on cloud, network topologies, communication protocols, soft structure in agriculture, and disease detection scenario, greenhouse and livestock monitoring, some essential sensors used in farming, smartphone apps, and IoT agricultural challenges. What is smart farming? Food production practices powered by Internet of Things, big data, and advanced analytics technology is nothing but smart farming. A brief introduction to IoT. The concept of IoT caught attention in the year 1999. Basically, IoT is an integration of multiple devices which communicate, sense, and interact with their internal and external states through the embedded technology. IoT offers appropriate solutions for multiple applications such as smart healthcare, smart cities, security, traffic congestion, industrial control, and agriculture. Farmers are facing various issues such as shortage of water, cost management, and productivity. Monitoring the environmental conditions or crop conditions is not the only factor for evaluation of crop, but there are many other factors which affect the crop productivity, like field management, soil and crop monitoring, movement of an unwanted object, attacks of wild animals, and thefts. With the advancement of technology, it has been expected that by using IoT and power of wireless sensor networks, agriculturalists and technologists should find out solution for these issues. This figure shows an agricultural trends. There are four major components in the agriculture: the greenhouse, field, farmer, and livestock. The diagram shows two sensor kits which are used for monitoring the soil moisture, leaf wetness, temperature, humidity, productivity, and airflow, while the Moo Monitor sensor monitors the animal health, fertility, feeding, ruminating, and resting. The agricultural servers, gateways, and agriculture database are used for keeping the records and providing on demand to the authorized users. As a whole, in agricultural fields, there are multiple applications, protocols, and prototypes. Major components of the IoT-based smart farming are physical structure, data acquisition, data processing, and data analytics. The physical structure is the most important structure for precision agriculture. Whole system is designed in such a way which controls the sensors, actuators, and devices. A sensor performs multiple tasks like soil sensing, temperature sensing, weather sensing, light and moisture sensing. Similarly, devices perform many control functions like node discovery, device identification, and naming services. All these functions are further controlled through a microcontroller. This controlling operation is performed by any remote device or a computer which is connected through the internet. Data acquisition is further divided into two subcomponents, namely IoT data acquisition and standard data acquisition. The IoT data acquisition component consists of protocols like MQTT, WebSocket, Data Distribution Service, and Hypertext Terminal Transfer Protocol, HTTP. In the standard data acquisition, we have protocols like Wi-Fi, Zigbee, long range, wide area networks, that is LoRaWAN and Sigfox. The data processing consists of multiple features that are image and video processing, data logging, decision support system, and data mining. One or more features may work in parallel to provide the system requirements. Data analytics consists of two main features that are monitoring and controlling. Monitoring involves three main applications in smart agriculture that are livestock monitoring, field monitoring, and greenhouse monitoring. IoT enables farmers to monitor the livestock via multiple sensors, which are used to monitor the different animal diseases like temperature, heart rate, blood pressure, and various digestion issues. Whereas field monitoring applications intend to report different conditions like, soil richness, temperature, humidity, gas sensor, air pressure, water pressure, crop disease monitoring. A smart greenhouse design eliminates the manual intervention and measures different climate parameters by intelligent IoT devices and servers according to the plant requirements. Various technologies involved in smart farming are cloud and edge computing, big data analytics and machine learning, communication networks, and robotics. The cloud and edge computing software architecture process and retrieve information and agricultural tasks in a more accurate way. In the field of IoT, edge computing is considered as a solution to facilitate data processing at the source and of data generation, which are sensors, actuators, and other embedded devices. Big data analytics and machine learning are very popular because they provide optimal solutions at a very high speed. Intrusion detection is one of the examples where we need such fast protocols. Neural network and deep learning neural networks are useful networks where a lot of detection and training is needed. The third technology is the communication networks and protocols, where different kinds of long range and short range communication is needed in an agricultural based system. Communication protocols are the backbone of IoT agricultural network. The fourth is the robotics. Multiple agribots have been developed, in fact need to be developed for the purpose of smart farming. Agribots can perform elementary functions like weeding, spraying, sowing, etc. IoT is also involved in controlling these robots. IoT agricultural network platform based on cloud. It consists of four modules. One is the hardware modules, fog computing, gateway, and cloud storage. The hardware modules are multiple actuators, sensors, microcontrollers, and central processing unit to monitor various agricultural variables. Hardware modules are distributed in global and local networks and are used to create services or processes. To resolve these data sharing problems, the local gateways are designed which act as a bridge between all hardware devices and sensors for connectivity, security, and controllability. Implementation of gateway in greenhouse or field improves the ability of automation and control the real-time greenhouse monitoring system. All agricultural related data such as weather, soil, fertility, and agricultural market is stored in the cloud. For the implementation of smart farming, fast response time and capability to exchange information is necessary, which is brought about with the help of two protocols that are REST, that is representational state transfer, and MQTT. IoT agriculture network topologies. Topology is an arrangement of multiple elements of an IoT in an agricultural network. Figure here shows the heterogeneous computing grid topology, which collects the necessary sensor data by using multiple sensing devices. Multiple crop parameters are monitored by implementing agricultural devices and sensors all over the field. The farmer can monitor the different crop variables in all over the field from anywhere with the help of various resources like mobile app, laptop, desktop, etc. This figure shows the remote farm monitoring. In this scenario, there are multiple crop parameters are monitored by implementing various agricultural devices and sensors again in the entire field. Sense data is then analyzed and stored. The stored data from multiple sensors and devices can become useful for aggregation. On the basis of this aggregation and analysis, the agricultural farmers can monitor the different crop variables in all over the field from anywhere. Moreover, this topology consists of the proper network configuration for the streaming of agricultural videos. This figure shows the low power wireless sensor network topology, where ZigBee is being used for data transmission, which consists of multiple end devices and router to propagate the information on large distances. And devices like sensors and routers and the controller communicate with the base station by using serial port to analyze the received information. According to software monitoring perspective, each end device is properly initialized and attached sensors are activated in an appropriate manner. Once the sensors are activated, then each device follows the router to connect. After confirmation, end device may connect to the WSN by using the identical key. Data which is collected through sensors is sent to the base station, which takes analysis on received data. Major advantage of this net topology is its bidirectional communication by using ZigBee. Various IoT protocols used for smart farming. We have various network protocols like IEEE 802.11 Wi-Fi, which has the communication range from 20 meters to 100 meters. LoRaWAN, which is a long-range communication protocol, which is developed by an open and non-profit association, namely LoRa TM Alliance. The main purpose of LoRaWAN protocol is to assure the interoperability between multiple operators. WiMAX, which provides broadband multi-access connectivity, which includes fixed, portable, mobile communication through wired or wireless connectivity. Both Wi-Fi and WiMAX technologies can be deployed for smart farming. 2G, 3G, 4G communication standards are the multiple generations of mobile communication. IoT devices communicate by using these standards all over the cellular networks. Through the use of mobile communication network, farmers can detect temporal viability across their fields and monitor the crop yield, soil, and climate conditions. Low rate wireless personal area networks. The major property of this standard is that it provides low speed and low cost communication services. It is mostly used for indoor agriculture such as home garden or kitchen garden, which is the future of urban agriculture. ZigBee is on the top of IEEE 802 standards created by ZigBee Alliance. RFID works on the principle of assigning a unique number individually to each object in order to record the information. It consists of readers, hosts, and tags, where tags receive and transmit radio waves, due to which it is also known as a responder. Tags have unit ID number and environmental information such as moisture level, temperature condition, and humidity, etc., are embedded in the multiple objects to identify that object. The Sigfox is a low data rate and ultra narrowband wireless cellular network which is appropriate for IoT and machine type communications, which helps the farmers to locate their cattle position. Bluetooth is best suited for short range mobile communication. There are many IoT agricultural devices which are Bluetooth enabled. MQTT is a messaging protocol in IoT which is mainly designed for remote connections. It's a bandwidth efficient protocol and uses little battery power. MQTT is used for continuous analysis and is best suited for smart agriculture. IoT agriculture applications. Basically, IoT is useful in precision farming, greenhouse monitoring, and livestock monitoring. The main domains are these three domains. So you have livestock range management, in which there is animal health monitoring, heat stress level, physical gesture recognition, rumination, heart rate, GPS based monitoring. The precision farming includes the various parameter sensing in the farm, where it includes tracking and tracing as well, the irrigation monitoring system, the crop disease monitoring, various soil parameters, and climatic conditions. And the greenhouse monitoring includes water management, plant monitoring, weather monitoring, and agricultural drones. We will see one of the disease detection scenario. Root cause of revenue and production losses are the crop diseases. Prediction of crop diseases at early stage helps the farmers to generate more revenue by saving crop from the pest attacks. Detection of crop disease at early stages is very challenging in the field of agriculture. To detect a crop or a leaf disease, a team of experts is called, which is expensive and time taking process. Whereas automatic detection of disease is very beneficial, accurate, and cheaper for the farmer as compared to manual observation by experts. Various image processing and video processing techniques play a vital role for the early detection of plant disease. The diseases which can be detected using the system are the bacterial diseases, fungal diseases, and viral diseases. The disease analyzes the diseases and further the data is sent to the web portal where it is monitored and also saved. In the greenhouse monitoring, where plants are grown under controlled environment, this technology provides benefits to the growing plants anytime, anywhere by monitoring appropriate environmental conditions. Cultivation of greenhouse is more intense in terms of controlling and monitoring. It requires high precision. Data can be obtained by corresponding sensors and detectors and then transferred to the main server for processing. There are many IoT-based greenhouse applications such as water management, plant monitoring, and climate monitoring, etc. The list of monitoring scenario is shown in the figure, where you can see various drones which are implanted on having the GPS to locate the position of the animals in the field. There are various other monitoring parameters and sensors which are used for physical gesture recognition, rumination, heart rate monitoring, etc. Some essential sensors which are used in smart farming: pH sensors, gas sensors, UV sensors, motion detection sensors for detection the movement of intruders in the night, and then PIR sensors do the same job. Temperature sensors are meant for measuring the temperature of the fields in case of greenhouse monitoring, and humidity sensors for measuring the soil humidity. Some smartphone apps, there are many. I have listed a few in this slide Farm Futures, Farm at Hand, Farm Partner, etc. are the smartphone apps. IoT agricultural challenges. This is the last part of my presentation and it is very important. We have various challenges like hardware challenges, network challenges, interference, reliability, and many. Hardware challenges: equipments which exist at the perception layer are directly exposed to harsh environments, experience they experience rain, high level temperature, extreme humidity, hard winds, and many other possible dangers which destroy the electronic circuits. End devices work consistently for a long period by depending on the inadequate battery power resources. So a suitable programming tool and less power potential is necessary because in case of any program failure instantly, battery replacement is complicated, especially in a large scale open field. The network challenges: due to high cost of wiring, wireless communication is most important for the deployment of IoT based agriculture. Reliable and robust technologies should be used to meet the environmental changes and the rural conditions. To implement smart farming, a large number of IoT devices are deployed for the agricultural purpose that create hindrance, especially for those IoT devices which are using unlicensed spectrum like Sigfox, ZigBee, LoRa, and Wi-Fi. These technical issues reduce the reliability and loss of data. Unnecessary interferences can be eliminated by use of IoT devices with licensed spectrum. Reliability has consideration of physical safety of the IoT devices. It is necessary to secure the expensive gadgets from unauthorized users and severe attacks like weather conditions or thefts. The resource optimization deals with different resource optimizations. Due to different farm size, the source optimization is challenging because there is a kind of different sensors and devices to perform each function. Cost management and lack of knowledge of technology is very important or a very challenging parameter. When an IoT system is deployed, the cost of implementation are very high. After that, the maintenance cost is also important for the use of central services. Moreover, the major factor of slowing the IoT in rural areas is basically the lack of knowledge of IoT and its applications. This is the main problem because majority of the farmers are uneducated and they live in rural areas. Therefore, it is most important to overcome these obstacles by educating farmers in order to generate more revenue. The next concern is the mobility. Farmers should be able to connect their farms from anywhere at any time. The quality of service need to be provided where because there is lot of issues related to the farm. So a proper mechanism that guarantees the quality of service should be available throughout the IoT network layers. The security issues. IoT based smart farming mainly consists of three basic requirements that are authentication, access control, and confidentiality of the stakeholders. Physical security is also very important because all the devices are deployed in an open field. Another major security issue is the leakage of information, which consists of location and sensitive data. Cheating, wiretapping, replay attacks, and tampering are also security threats. Due to confidentiality, authentication, and integrity should be employed. KJSC has taken a step in automating the agriculture. I will now show you the video which shows this first step of our department. Thank you. The session is open for question answers.